Today we're doing some trash wings. We're excited about this. Bought us some fresh wings from the grocery store. We're going to fire up Ferdinand or Rectech RT700. We're going to smoke them at 250 degrees until they're done. We're going to use Kinder's Hickory Molasses rub for the wings. We're going to put them in a bowl, put some of the rub on there, mix it up real good, and then get them on the grill. Again, we're going to smoke these at 250 degrees until they're done, 165, which should not take too long. The wings are looking good. The wings are done, so we're going to get these off of the smoker. Get ready to take them inside. We're going to mix them up in our hot sauce. We're going to use Frank's Red Hot. We're going to do these in batches, about 6 or 7 in a batch. We're going to put them in a bowl, mix them up in the sauce real good. And then we got our fire going. The oil is about 350 degrees. We're going to put them in there just until they're crispy, which will not take too long. And these wings look great. Nice and crispy. Look great. Smell great. We're going to dip them in a little ranch. Cannot wait to try these. So let's give it a try here. See how these wings taste. I can tell you, these wings taste great, guys. Easy recipe. I'll have the instructions down in the description below. But give these trash wings a try. You'll enjoy them. And thank you guys for watching. And have a great day, because everything's better together.